As a foodie, I like to try all recipe. Obviously, vegetarian and no onion, no garlic version. But one thing I can tell you for sure that you will find my love towards rice. Rice and anything, it's a perfect combo. Hello everyone, Namaste, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Deepa, and if you are new here, please subscribe my channel and do let me know in a comment where you're from so I can connect with my YouTube family. Or even you can share your choice also that you like to see on my channel. This fried rice recipe is so simple and easy recipe that you can make anytime, that I can always make in a weekends, and you can make this fried rice recipe with any vegetables you have left in a fridge. So you have to follow the process, recipe in a caption if you like to read. Hope you like it, and don't forget to like, share and comment. See you soon. Bye. Annyeong.